Welcome to 102 Winslow Lane. When you come to see this house, please do wear a mask, use hand sanitizer, and either bare feet or booties. Come on in. First, we have a really nice porch and a beautiful red door. Gorgeous wood floors. Plantation shutters. Smooth ceiling with hand lights downstairs. Ceiling fan. Gorgeous fireplace. I love these floors. Let me go into the kitchen. Gorgeous stone top counters and island. The island has a lot of storage space. It's black with little gold flecks. It's just gorgeous. And a ceramic tile floor. Plantation shutters, which are in every room of the house. Really nice double sink where you can look out the backyard. Built-in microwave. Smooth top stove. Stainless steel appliances. When you come through here, it's like a U-turn loop. First thing we come to is the half bath. Pedestal sink, crown molding, and here we have a pantry with the motion light, and look at that gorgeous floor in the pantry. Then we pass by the stairs going upstairs and come into the dining room. Everything in here is top of the line, from the plantation shutters to the beautiful floor. And look at all the molding, it's just gorgeous. And a really pretty ceiling fan. Next we'll go upstairs. We have the room over the garage, but this is not your normal room over the garage. They just put new wood flooring in this room. It also has plantation shutters and a ceiling fan. Access to attic storage on both sides. And a big closet. And we're going down these couple steps. Now we're upstairs. And we have a linen closet for the upstairs. First bedroom. Plantation shutters overlooking the huge backyard. This has a nice light colored carpet and shelves in the closet because my seller uses it as her office, but they would come out easily if you just wanted hanging space. Then back into the hallway, which is the center of the upstairs. Laundry room, conveniently located upstairs with all the bedrooms. And our second bedroom has the light colored carpet, plantation shutters, and a ceiling fan, as they all do. And a closet that's actually pretty big. It goes back to about here. Got hooks on the door. Solid wood doors. In the hallway for the use of the 3 bedrooms we've already seen just now. Full bathroom. And next, the master bedroom. Has a light colored carpet. Plantation shutters on 3 windows. Big ceiling fan. And then the master bathroom. Has this beautiful big garden tub with a half-moon window. A shower. Double sinks. And a semi-private toilet because there is a wall. And then a big walk-in closet. The floors in here are ceramic tile. Double sinks. That's really good. If this was my house, it'd be a sink for each of us. I get the tub and he gets the shower. Next, we'll go back downstairs so I can show you the backyard. Okay, we've come downstairs. We're in the space between the dining room and the kitchen. But we're going to go around this way so you can get another peek at the living room with its beautiful floors, plantation shutters, smooth ceiling can lights, ceiling fan, and this gorgeous fireplace. 3 windows back here overlooking the beautiful screen porch. Take another peek at the kitchen because it is a nice one. Note the tile work, backsplash, and those gorgeous countertops. So now we're going to go out into the porch. This is an extra large screen porch, not standard that the builder built. Lots of space out here. From the screen porch, we go out to the supersized patio. Now that I'm outside, I can take my mask off. Whew. So, to note in the backyard, really big patio, really nice big screen porch. There's a stone walkway from the garage back door to the fire pit area. Got a raised garden bed over there. Lots of nice shrubs and trees. That tree right there, I think is the one with the pink fuzzy flowers. I don't know the name of it. Got azaleas, lilies, elephant ears, all kinds of things. Got nice shade trees. That might be the prettiest pine tree I've ever seen. And the fire pit with the seating all around it. Big storage shed. And the swing set can stay if the buyers would like to have the swing set. If not, the sellers will take it away. Nice big yard. Privacy fence all around. And then she's got some plants over here. I guess this is where Mike chops wood. But I think it's a gas fireplace, so he probably doesn't chop wood for the fireplace. And some bamboo in the corner over there. So that's it for this beautiful home. Check out this tour. If you've stayed this long, you must like the house. If you want to see it, call your agent, call me, and we will make it happen, but it will not stay on the market for very long. Have a great day.